Assalamu alaikum. Mera naam Nekul hai, and I am very happy to be the new United States Consul General in Karachi, Pakistan. It is a great honor to be here at the Mazar-e-Qaid to pay my respects and commemorate the legacy of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The United States shares his democratic vision of a strong, stable, and democratic Pakistan. I want to thank officials and civil society leaders for their hospitality during my first few weeks here in Karachi. I know that you are working hard due to the ongoing floods, and please know that we are as well. I am deeply saddened for the flood victims in Sindh, Balochistan, and elsewhere in Pakistan. The American people stand in solidarity with the people of Pakistan during this very difficult time, and we offer our deepest condolences to the families who have lost loved ones and livelihoods. There are no words to relieve your pain. Please know that the United States has committed $30 million in humanitarian assistance to support the people and communities affected by severe flooding in Pakistan. We are here for you in your hour of need, as is the entire international community. As the U.S. Consul General in Karachi, I am here to reaffirm the U.S. government's commitment to further strengthening our economic ties, exploring ways to broaden our bilateral trade, boosting investment, and helping create conditions for expanded entrepreneurship and educational opportunities. I look forward to working closely with you, the people of Sindh and Balochistan, to strengthen our critically important people-to-people ties. We hope that the past 75 years of the U.S.-Pakistan partnership becomes just the starting point for even greater possibilities for ourselves and future generations. America, Pakistan, Dosti Zindabad.